Who wants to live in a dirty place?
Who wants to live in a place with no trees left?
Who wants to have a dirty river like this?
No one does.
What do you do to preserve our natural resources?
Reuse, recycle, refuse, and repair.